Welcome back, YouTube, and we back with another shindig. What it do? What it? Yes, and today we're gonna be doing another MukBang because I told you I was coming back, so I got another one for you. And today we're doing the Mexican candy versus the Asian candy, the Munchie Box. I hope not, Kim. Which one you want to try? The Asian candy first? Okay, let's do the Asian candy. And it got a little secret. You know what? Okay, come on. Let's try this out. Ooh, it's a lot too, King. We're gonna do the Asian candy first. What is that one? You gonna try that one first? Okay, I'm trying this one. Whatever this is, I don't know what it is, but it look like something like a firework. Look at it. You see that? Yeah, we're gonna try this out. Looks like a firework. Hope I'm gonna blow up in my mouth. It look like okay. You like that one? You sure? Yeah. Something about milky. That's what it say. Look at these little pieces of candy. Let me see. I'm trying. You gotta look. It says store in a dry place. I don't know what that is. You want some? You don't want that? You sure? It might be good to you. Oh, you like that one? What you eating? Which one you want to taste next? We got the bubble gum right here. Let's try the bubble gum. What's this? Some orange bubble gum. It's some Asian candy. That candy don't taste right. Okay, we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it moving. We're gonna keep it moving. You still chewing on that one? Okay. Get some bubble gum, King. You try that one? I kind of like that one. Oh yeah, that one's good. Yeah. This one feels gummy. That's a gummy candy. I'm still chewing that one. Let me smell it. It don't stink. Or you want to throw it out now, nasty? I told you it was nasty. Put it back on there. You didn't like it, huh? Don't taste funny? You like the gum? You don't want none of these? Yeah. Okay, you want to try? Yeah. Okay, you want to try this one? No, I already tried it right there. It's your turn. What? Yeah. It's good? We're going to see. Why yours look like that? Like a little piece. What is it? Ew. It's nasty? Oh my God, I told you it's nasty. Look at this. It looks like a firework or something. Ew, I'm doing this. You going to leave me? Put it in there. Okay. Look at this one. It's a peach cream candy. I'm still trying the gum. Tastes pretty good. All that candy is like real sweet, King. Yeah. It is, huh? Yeah. Let's try it. Okay, well, you do one. Where is it? This one? Anyone. Try anyone. Mo, that's the grape. Grape. Show the people what you eating. I'm eating a grape. Gummy grape. Gummy grape. I'm going to spit that one out, y'all. It got like a little aftertaste. What's that? Yeah, open it, baby. Let me see. Oh, it's something. King, look at that stuff coming out. I don't know about all that stuff coming out of there. Ew! What is it? He don't even like it. It's grape. I don't like grapes either. Throw it away the trash can next week. Should we keep going with this candy or should we go to the next candy? Go to the next. You go to this candy? Okay, we're going to scoop this on to the side, y'all. We're going to try this one. This is the big bag. The big bag. Big bag. Oh, yeah. Look at all that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We finna go to work now, King. You gonna try that one? Which one? I'm gonna try. What about the salt? Remember these? I know y'all remember these. Let's take all of them out. Take all of them out? I did. He won't pour the whole bag out. This looks like Halloween over here. Come on. Yeah. Let's try the salt. Yeah, let's try it. Want to try the salt? Yeah, let's We got two. Which one you want? Any, mini, money, mo?
This one.
Okay. You try this one? I try this one.
I dropped it.
You dropped it? Let's find another one, baby. Here you go.
I got it.
Okay. Open it up. Let's try it.
I can't open it.
You can do it. Let mama help you out. This that lemon stuff. King, I can't open that one. Wait a minute now. We'll go to another one.
Okay, let's try that one.
Okay. Ooh, I splashed it. Look at this stuff. This stuff looks good. This some candy.
Oh my god, look at that.
We got this kind. We got this one.
It's hot.
It's hot? Oh, Lord, you can't hang with that candy then. My turn. My turn, King. That's too salty. You poured it out? What we doing next? You pick a candy for me and you. Come on.
I'll pick this one.
You pick that one? Okay, that's the Asian candy. You gotta share it. Right? You gonna break it in half? You gonna break bread? Break bread. Can you break? It's still some on there, some plastic. Let's see.
The plastic on it.
Oh, that's how it come. I don't want nothing there. You eat that by yourself. I don't want this stuff. You try it. It ain't coming out. That's the candy. It's called White Rabbit. That's the name of it.
A white rabbit?
White Rabbit. It's good. I don't want none of that. You eat that over there. I'm going to stay over here on this side of the table. You stay on the Asian side. I'm staying on the Mexican side. But you keep eating Asian candy. Yeah, it's hard. It's going to break your teeth. King. We got some candy tonight. We're going to try it now. Is it nasty? It is nasty? I see you didn't finish it. Because you keep eating Asian candy. Let's try this one. Real fruit. We're going to try this one. This one mango. Real fruit.
Yeah, let's try it.
Because this is it's not it.
Yeah,
It's real? Okay. We're going to break bread. Here you go. Okay. I'm going to try this one too. It's nasty?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
I missed.
You know? Go right there. It's good to me. I like it.
I don't like it.
I do. That's one of my favorites. One of my favorites. Pick another one. Let's eat some worms. Look.
Worms.
These worms.
I like them.
Let's Lucas worms. Oh, we gotta put the little sauce on it. Wait a minute. Let's put the sauce on it. And then we're gonna eat it, right?
Why are we gonna put the sauce on it?
We finna eat this one right here with the little sauce.
What?
You gotta put the sauce on it.
Okay.
Let's see.
What?
Okay. We gotta keep the viewers live and keep them going. Come on, King.
Oh my god, look at it.
That look good.
Yeah.
You wanna try it first?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Here you go.
Oh.
You don't like it. You don't like it. Oh no. You don't like it?
No.
Okay. Okay, you guys spitting the candy out. It's sour.
I told you it's sour for me.
Wait a minute. Still look at my fingers though. Well, it must be good.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorites. King don't like it.
No, this is my favorite.
The bubble gum?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get another one. What we doing next? The sucker? Okay. While he trying the sucker, I'm gonna try this one. Oh no, what is this right here? I might try this one. Something with Tommy on it. I think it's like a coffee candy or something.
I can open this.
I got you. They make sure they wrap their suckers. Ugh. I got bubble gum in there. Hope it ain't spicy. Oh, you like that one? That's one of your favorites? That's your favorite? You gonna save it over there? Okay. Don't let it fall. It's going over. It's going over. Okay. Ooh, let's try this, King.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what's.
I feel like candy in my mouth. Here, put it on the napkin. That's one of your favorites to the side over there. Your sucker, your bubble gum. Now we finna try this right here. Yeah, King.
Yeah.
So far, everything is good, spicy. Whatever.
Yeah,
It's
spicy
good.
spicy good.
Oh, King might like this one, y'all. No? I'm gonna let you try it. Uh-oh. Don't spit it out. Let mommy try it. What is this? Tastes like it tastes like dirt. This one tastes like dirt. I'm sorry. And it's spicy too.
Yeah.
This going to the side. That one ain't no good.
No.
I don't be able to do that one, King.
We not doing that one.
No.
That's spicy.
That one's real spicy.
Yeah.
It tastes like, I don't know what it is. Look at this. I'm finna show y'all. See that? It got some little. Tastes like dirt. I ain't gonna do that one. But we got some chili suckers over here. We got a lot of chili suckers. Is that good? I guess so. Got this over here. We got these. And this one. It's another sucker. They got a lot of suckers. Asian candy don't have a lot of suckers. They got all little these stuff like this. This is a chewy candy. Some kind of fruit chewy candy. I'm still eating other sucker. I think I like that one. That one's good. Then they got a salt and lemon candy.
Lemon candy?
Which one you want to try? Out of these two?
I want to try lemon candy.
The lemon candy? Okay, we're going to try it. He's going to try the lemon candy, y'all. King got this.
Everything is just.
Yes, you got this. That side is spicy, and this side is fruity. So the Mexican candy is spicy, and the Asian candy is more fruity. It's more sweet. And the Mexican candy is going to give you a little spice, a little hot, you know, if you like spicy stuff. But overall, it is good, though. But I can't mess with this. I ain't even gonna play with that. I don't know what it is. That's good. Okay, put your favorites right there. Mommy got her favorites right here. I like this one. I'm still chewing on the other one. What's the next candy? What we got over here? What side you going to? The Asian or you going on this side? Which one?
This one.
This side is the Mexican candy. Okay. Which one? That one? Okay, cool.
Okay.
Well, while you trying that, I'm gonna try this one. You gotta show the people what we eating, King.
I need this.
Okay.
What is this thing?
Some kind of sucker. I can't remember. I can't read that. It's a sucker. It's a Mexican sucker. So mommy gonna try this one. Let me see.
I can't open this.
That nasty. I got you. You walk. Ooh. I don't know what this is. But it's spicy. How come you keep eating good stuff? This is spicy. He keep eating the good candy.
Yes, because I'm good. Boy.
You good? Yeah. And tell people you good. What about this, King?
I'm good.
Let's try this one.
Okay.
You got one, and I got one. We're gonna try it at the same time. Same time?
Yeah, same time.
Okay. You got it over there? You struggling?
Yeah.
You got it. No, this way, baby. They gotta take top off. Ooh.
Oh my god.
My throat. We gotta push it down like this. Look, so the people can see. Look. You got it. Push it. Push it down. Come on. Come on. Let me see. Help. There you go. Come on. To the top. Okay. You ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. It's good.
It's nasty.
I like it.
Ooh. I keep getting nasty stuff.
Because you coming on my side. That's your side. You don't like it?
No.
Put it right there. Put it up there. Kane don't like this one. This one good. I like it.
No, I don't like that.
It's good to me.
But it's good to you, but not
Okay, let's try something different. I'm still eating another candy. Which one we doing now? You didn't try this one with me. You didn't. When you eat this one, it ain't on your side. When? You want to try it? Yeah. Okay, come on. Cause I don't see nothing on. I don't see no Mexican candy on your side. All I see is Asian candy over there.
Why you looking over here?
Okay, I can't see on your side.
I can see on your side.
I can't look on your side.
Yes, you can.
Okay. Well, okay. Okay, I see. You ready? Okay.
Oh,
You didn't even bite it. You cheating.
nasty.
You didn't even bite it. Oh, you put it on the trash. Okay. Next. Okay. You ain't like that one either. Oh my God. My son is picky. He ain't fooling with none of this, honey. No, it ain't gonna work. You gotta pick a candy for mommy to take. Pick one for me. What side I'm going on?
Your side.
The Mexican side? Okay, which one you want me to eat? I'm gonna eat the whole candy. Even if it's nasty, I'm gonna eat the whole candy. That's easy. That's done.
Just eat it.
And give me something else. Give me something else. This one? Which one is it? Show the people what I'm finna eat for you. Okay. Eat the whole candy cane? Okay. Don't leave me.
I'll be back.
Tell the people you be back.
I'll be back, people.
Okay, I'm gonna eat this whole candy cane. This is the one he picked for mommy. See it? I'm gonna close it up to y'all. If it's hot, spicy, nasty, I'm gonna still eat the whole candy. I'm waiting till you come back. But other than that, I'm gonna entertain y'all till he come back. So, like I said, the Asian candy is sweet. The Mexican candy is hot, spicy, sour. It's good. Your tongue still burning. But all they candy on this side, on the Asian candy, all they candy is real sweet. I guess they don't eat spicy food. I don't know because none of their candy is spicy. But I don't. These little things right here, I don't. That's weird. It look like a little firework or something.
I'm back.
Okay, you back? Okay. Now I'm gonna eat this whole candy for you, right? Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna eat the whole candy. Okay, here you go. One. Mm-mm. Since I ate one, you gotta eat one too by yourself.
No.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ooh. Come on, Kenny, your turn. You gotta eat one of mine. You gotta eat the whole thing too.
I'm going on the 8th.
That's you cheating. So that's the sweet side. You don't want to go to the hot side.
I'm going on.
Okay, come on. Let me pick it. No, you gotta let mommy pick it. Let me pick it, Candy. You cheating. Oh, I got one right here for you. Mm-hmm. You look like a good one. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
No.
You gonna eat this one. This one right here. Because it's good. Because I ate my candy. Then you gotta eat yours. You gotta eat the whole thing. The whole thing. No. Oh, because you're on the Asian side. It's sweet over there. See how you be getting me? You get me every time. Every time. It's good. That's one of your favorites. Which one was it? What I do with the paper? Was it this paper? No, it wasn't that paper. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Look at this. It was that one. Mocha milk candy.
I like that.
The Asian side is real good. It's what is this? Flower Kiss candy.
That's
Okay. Gotta put that one out. That ain't no good. I'm back. Let me try this one. See? I'm trying. That's good. They don't have no bad candy. This one only bad one. This is like a firework. The one I just ate? I think they only have one of those. You can try this one. Set them up. Set you up. I think we did this one, huh? We did that. Overall,
This is good.
what beat? So who won? Out of the Mexican and Asian candy, which one won? No, the candy. Which candy is better, the Asian candy or the Mexican candy? The Asian candy better? I knew it. I knew he was going to say that. Because he don't like this candy. It was good. It's a lot of candies over here, but we're not going to eat all these candies. Because they real spicy. But these are all candies that we have. I'm still chewing on the Asian candy.
It's a tie.
This one, big old sucker right here. But overall, it's good though.
Mommy, it's a tie.
It's a tie.
Yeah.
Why? Who won?
You and me.
Oh, okay, that's right. It's tied. So, King, we gonna wrap it up, or we gonna keep going? Y'all think we should keep going? We gonna keep going. We gonna keep going. This is watermelon. I know we got to spell a lot of candy, but we can go to the next one.
Yeah,
This one watermelon. We going back. We going back to this one again. Keep on talking. I'm gonna give you a piece of this one. Huh?
Wow.
Yeah, this one good. This the watermelon one. The other one I gave you wasn't watermelon. That's the original one. No, you cheating. You gotta eat it. It's not nasty. That's good to me. I can't with you. I can't. I can't with kids. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That was too funny. So no more? We done? You think so? We gotta keep going. Okay, well pull one out then. Oh, look at this one. That's another one. Look at this one. This is in the red package.
Red package?
Yeah, you gonna try it?
Yeah.
This the Asian candy. Yep. Oh, you gonna bite that one? There's something in the inside of it? Oh, I don't want you to fall, baby. There you go. What's in the inside? Show the people what it is. Can they see it? Something in there red. That was a mystery piece of candy right there because it was in this little bag right here. See that little bit? And it got something red in the inside. How it taste? That's the Asian candy. It tastes good? You got all your good ones over there, huh? All your favorites.
So which one you trying?
Which one I'm trying?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I don't know neither. We don't have no more to try. I think we done tried all of it. Because all of them is like the same a little
You
bit.
can try this.
Oh, you can try it. You try and let me know how it tastes.
I can't.
Let's see. It's kind of stuck on. King, it's stuck. King gonna try this.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Ooh.
We got some little chili in there. Oh, now you back on my side again. It's good? Oh, okay. That is good. Look at all your, look at King's favorite. He got a little pep towel over here. Let me see if I can lift it up for y'all. Oh, no, I'm finna knock it down. Let me see. I can show y'all his favorites. This is his favorites. They're all Asian candy. All Asian candy. This is one of mine. I think I only got 2 so far.
Give me some.
What?
Give me some.
Give you some what? The bubble gum for the fall. Bubble gum fell. That's the bubble gum. You got some more? Get one. Bam, bam. Which one you want?
Give me some.
Give me some what? This one? What about this one? You gonna try this one? I was saving the best for last, and this was this one right here. I think he ain't ready for this one. You ready for this one?
Yeah.
It's spicy. I knew you wasn't ready for it.
No.
No, you threw it. He threw it in the trash again. You didn't give me time to taste it. That was the grand finale. That one. Oh man. We're gonna wrap it up. You two family.
I want to keep going.
You wanna keep going?
Yeah.
Okay. Which you want to try now? You pick one, you pick one, you pick one. We did that one. You didn't even like that one. Okay, you gonna eat that one by yourself then.
No, I dropped it.
Here go another one. You gonna eat that one by yourself? I want you to eat the whole candy by yourself. You cannot spit it out. You gotta eat the whole candy. Let me help you. Let me help you out. I'm gonna help you out. You ready? The whole candy, King.
What?
You gotta eat the whole candy. Eat the whole candy. Eat. Oh my God, he did it. He did it. You gotta chew it up. You stuffed it in your mouth. You stuffed it in your mouth. Okay, go slow. Don't choke yourself now.
It's nasty.
Okay, throw it over there in the trash. Nasty. Ugh. Disgusting. That was horrible. So you don't like these. I like these. Okay. That was good? That was... No, it wasn't good?
Yeah.
Okay, did we do good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just keep going.
Just keep going?
Yes.
Oh, man. What else we gonna taste? Can you entertain the people while I be right back? Yeah. Okay, entertain the people for us. Mommy be right back. Yeah. Keep them going. Keep that.
So guys, my mom left. So she be back. So I'm by myself. I can hear you. Okay.
I'm coming. Did you entertain the people for me?
Yeah.
Okay. We back. I'm back. Here I am. Let's go. The gun? Okay, go ahead. Try the gun.
I can't open it. Yeah.
You ain't even trying.
I can't.
You can't finna eat something. You gotta show the people what you eat so they know. They're like, oh, I might give me some of that candy. Yeah. There you go. Do not spit it out. It's good? Uh-huh. You like it? It's gum. That's why it's sweet.
That's like mint gum.
Mint gum? I didn't try this one. This Asian candy. Let me try this one. Let's see.
Look it.
What is that?
I don't know.
That's nasty. Huh. It don't even got no name on it. Oh no. That was disgusting. I ain't gonna be able to do that one, honey. No. I like our MukBang. It's nice, huh? All this candy up here and stuff. All that candy. We don't eat all that candy. That's too much because you already getting hyper. You want to try some more? Which one you want to try now?
I want to try.
No. You did those and you don't like them. No, you didn't want to eat the whole thing. Nope. Okay, go ahead. You go try by yourself. Don't spit it out. Eat a piece. And that's the hottest one too. Eat a piece of it.
What did you just say?
Nothing. Look, told you. Let me see. Let me try it for you. I'm gonna get a little piece like you. Oh, this one. Is it upside down, King? Okay, there we go. This is the spicy one. Extra spicy.
Upside down.
Oh, I'm sorry. Extra spicy. King,
What?
we're gonna wrap it up. Because we done eating the Mexican. Mommy don't want to keep going. We're gonna wrap it up, King. Wrap it up. Yeah. We don't have no more candy. Because we don't have no more Asian candy. You ate all the Asian candy. And you don't want no Mexican candy. But we're going to do this for the people, though. If y'all want some more mukbangs. Oh, wait a minute. Candy stuck in my throat. Wait a minute. I need some water. I need some water. I need some water. King, I need some water.
Go get it.
Oh, you don't do mommy like that. Kids are too much. But I love my son. He is too much. He said the darndest things. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Mommy throat burning.
Go get some water.
It's hot.
Go get some water.
Okay. Some water. Okay, but anyway, we're going to wrap it up. I enjoyed y'all. Y'all enjoyed me. And this was the Mexican candy versus the Asian candy. So, y'all want to see some more mukbangs? Like and subscribe to the Aboriginal family. And we're going to come back with some more mukbangs for y'all.
Wow.
Why? They want to see us again. The people want to see us, King. Like and subscribe. Peace. Peace.